You guys requested for it, so I'm doing it. We're buying stuff from SHEIN. One thing I also thought was SHEIN had a special website where you'd have to go click on to purchase stuff. Apparently it's just the SHEIN.com website, not the us.shein.com. So you have to be careful. You can use the link in the description to purchase. Obviously, you need to create an account. And in creating an account, you could create an account either using Google account, Microsoft, Apple account. It's a simple process and straightforward. Just do the needful. Please. Let me pass this across before we go into the main video. We're rushing things. Let's take it a step at a time, okay? I intentionally wore the shirt that most of you were asking for in the comments of my previous video, which was the one I did for Tim, to ask if the texture was great. I know you can tell from the video, for those of you who can, the texture be guy. It's very durable. I don't know how to classify it. It's 10 times better than Top Creation. Buying the things based on what my audience requested, and we have a budget of $100, so we're trying to make sure that we don't go beyond that. We had close to 41 replies, and if I didn't turn off the replies, I would have been in trouble. We're picking just 5 people, and we're going to buy stuff for them. The first one is a magnetic vacuum phone holder. Okay, why is the keyboard on? Sorry, I didn't use Mavis Beacon when I was a child. Okay, so this is $3. This is $3.76. Listen. I'm getting inclined to the $3 one. You know, we're trying to be on a budget here. As you can see, ships to Ghana and free express shipping on orders that are over $40. Thankfully, we are doing orders over $40. Wait, has it been added to carts? Oh, I have 2 things in my cart already. Let me just take them off. Why is there a pink dress in my? Is it pink? Delete. Wireless mic for camera. Those were a lot. Those were actually a lot. But somebody asked for a YAM phone. So let me see. Keypad phone. Yes, keypad phone. Let's see if we'll find some. Looks like SHEIN does not have keypad phones. They only have phone cases. So unfortunately, I can't get your. I tried, at least. Somebody said camera.
Oh, sister.
Oh. I said my budget is $100. You're saying camera. Podcast ring set. Somebody's using me to start content creation. Micro SD card. Yes, micro SD card. Definitely, because I actually need one myself. Trust it. Is it just the keys or it comes with the SD card? Add to cart. Got 2 of those. How much are we on now? $27. We're good. We still have more to get. Fortunately, I can't do this for anyone outside Ghana because apparently shipping fees cost more than the value of the product when I tried the last time, so apologies. I'll have to skip you guys for now, just for now, until I'm able to find an alternative that could help cut costs. Laptop and phone stand. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get you the laptop stand alone without the phone stand. I think I can only do one.
Everybody won. You want to go and take 2. Why? You want to go and take 2. Why?
Oh, choose a color. It's a guy, so dark gray will be better. See the bar. Choose a color. He's a guy, so dark gray will be better. Guys, forgive me if I look dull. It's very late here. It's almost 11 o'clock PM. Sorry. Yeah, polo shirts. Oh, there's some nice polo shirts here. They are not polo shirts, actually. It looks like I'd have to skip that one, or I have to just get you a plain t-shirt. I honestly do not know your size. You didn't add your size. Okay, you know what? We'll get you large. Wait, my bon. What does it? If it comes and it's bigger than you, bon, okay? Add to cart. 104. Oh, we've hit our limit. Okay, because this is mine, I'll bear that cost. So we just assume we're not at $100 yet. 34 minus 35. Type-C plus iPhone. You see? So this counts with both. Okay, let's get these ones then. This is actually less expensive. Wait, this is not the same type as what I'm seeing, right? Okay, S22 Ultra case. I will then add to cart. And then which one else? I'll just get one more microphone, honestly. I feel like people need the microphones more than anything else. Currently, we are $148 strong. I have lost that money. All I have to do is to now check out, which is the simplest process. Unfortunately, I can't please everyone. I can't buy everything for everyone. Sorry if I couldn't buy for you. I still have an AliExpress video to do, and we'll get to that one together. Wait a minute. How did you get to 179? We're 148 before we got it. Where's the 79 coming from? Where the extra? Wait. Hey, SHEIN. Me and you. SHEIN, listen. What's going on here? You're eligible for promotions now. Are you sure you want to leave? Which promotion? Yeah, you literally just added money to my cart. I'll just fill in my details. So this is where you enter your details. Please make sure you are accurate with the details, okay? It's very essential. My payment method, they're supposed to ask me. Following products cannot be shipped. Please remove item. Oh, really? I can't buy earbuds on SHEIN. It looks like we'll have to add it to we'll have to add the earbuds one to the AliExpress shipping. I think when I'm doing it on AliExpress, then that would go there. I can't buy. Please select available payments method. Finally, we can check out. Thank God. Okay, we're making this order on the 30th of July. We're going to check how long it's going to take to get the items, and I'll make sure I make a secondary video in addition to this video for that. Click on place order, and just like that, my money is gone, or so I think. Payment successful. Wow, sweet. But as to when I'll be getting the items, I don't know. Unlike Temu, which was stated earlier, this has not been stated, but we'll be tracking it. I'll make a future video to show you when I received it, and for now, let's hope for the best. Finally arrived. We have microphones that I ordered is here. Doesn't look premium though, and I don't want to open it because it's going to go to someone. It's the, what's the size? I can't see the size on the dress. Extra large. The phone case too for someone. Someone asked for a phone case. Unfortunately, it's not on the case, and I don't know what the package. I'm sorry. This is how it's gonna come in. Then there's the vacuum suction pump, right? No, that's not what? Then there's the vacuum. What? Yeah, that too as well. More microphones. I didn't get a lot of stuff actually, just plenty of microphones, which I'll be giving away. Now let's answer the questions. Most probable question will be, when did I order it? When did it come? I stated it in the first video, but I'll state it again. The items were ordered on the 30th of July. And then I got a message on the 2nd of August telling me that my items are ready to be processed. And then I received the items on the 15th of August, which was Friday before recording this video. Today's 19th. Yeah, I also got a phone case for myself for the 16 Pro Max. This looks cool, right? Who delivered it? Not Skynet this time around. It was Speed Up. I paid them the delivery fee from where he brought it to. So that was like 20 CDs. Customs, no, I didn't have to deal with customs. I'm pretty sure it's because I wasn't dealing with so many heavy stuff. If I ordered larger stuff, I'm pretty sure that would have been the case. I've heard people complaining a lot about Speed Up, but I have never really encountered any bad issue with Speed Up just yet. Maybe I should be expecting it. Yeah, that sums it up. We could talk more, Charlie.